Wait. Don't say, I have a long work today. It's actually a huge mistake.
Wait, really? But I'm working for 10 hours. That's definitely long.
I know it feels right, but in today's video, we're mastering the word long, so you never sound like a beginner again.
Okay, I'm ready. I always get confused between long and tall anyway.
Let's start with rule number 1, time versus distance. We use long for both, but the questions are different.
Like how long and how far?
Exactly. If you're asking about time, you say, how long is the movie?
And if I'm asking about the road, I say, how long is the road?
Perfect. But remember, for people, we don't say long. We say tall.
Right, he is a tall man, not a long man. That would be creepy.
Huh, exactly. Now, let's look at rule number 2, common phrases. Do you know, as long as?
Is that for measuring things? Like, this pencil is as long as that one?
That's the literal meaning. But we also use it for conditions. Like, you can go out as long as you finish your homework.
Ah, so it means only if?
Spot on. It's a game changer for your fluency.
Let me try. I'll help you with the video as long as you buy me pizza later.
Deal. Now, pattern interrupt, everyone watching, pause the video right now.
Why are we pausing?
I want them to comment the word long in the chat if they've ever made that long man mistake.
Good idea. It's a safe space for learners.
Okay, back to it. Rule number 3, the idiom long story short.
I hear that in movies all the time. It means you're skipping the boring details, right?
Exactly. Instead of telling a 10-minute story, you just give the ending.
Example, I went to the store, lost my keys, met a celebrity, long story short, I'm late.
Perfect usage. You're sounding more native already.
What about the phrase, long time no see?
That's a classic. It's actually grammatically incorrect, but we use it every day when we meet an old friend.
Wait, it's incorrect? Why do we say it then?
It's an idiom that became standard English. It's much faster than saying, I haven't seen you in a long time.
I love shortcuts. Is there a shortcut for rule number 4?
Rule 4 is about no longer. This is for things that stopped happening.
So, I no longer eat meat?
Yes. It's more formal and professional than saying, I don't eat meat anymore.
I see. This phone no longer works.
You're on fire. Now, let's do a quick roleplay to put this all together.
Okay, you be the boss, and I'll be the employee who is late.
Where have you been? The meeting started an hour ago.
I'm so sorry. Long story short, my car broke down on the long bridge.
And how long will it take for you to finish the report?
I'll finish it by noon, as long as I don't have any more interruptions.
End scene. That was flawless. You used 3 different versions of long.
It feels much more natural when you use them in a real conversation.
Before we finish, let's recap. Rule 1, long for distance and time, but tall for people.
Rule 2, as long as is for conditions.
Rule 3, long story short for summaries.
Rule 4, no longer for things that ended.
And Rule 5, long time no see for greeting friends.
That was a lot of info, but it didn't take a long time to learn.
Nice pun. If you guys enjoyed this, make sure to subscribe for daily English tips.
And hit that bell icon so you don't miss our next deep dive. See ya!